I'd now like to take you through a very handy feature of Google Docs, and that is one called revision history. So if we've been working on a document over a period of time, certain changes will have been made, and some people, particularly if you've shared it, will have made some changes that you may not necessarily like, or someone's completely deleted a section, and those type of things. So I'll show you how that works. So if we just go to File, down about halfway there's one called revision history. And what you'll see is it pops up over on the right hand side here. You'll see the person involved. So this document has only had me, or me as Udemy demo, actually working on it. And if I go back to 6:15 PM on the 26th of August, you'll see that was the document before anything had happened. I can then move along again, set a couple of words 7 minutes later. A little bit later on, we're up to this stage, so that's where we inserted our image of the galah. We go forward another 5 days, what it looked like, so a few more changes, and that's me working on it today. So they're 5 sort of rough times throughout the document. You can also go right down the bottom corner here and show more detailed ones. So I'll just scroll through these quite slowly, and you'll see that every minute or so this thing is keeping a copy. So you might know, for example, that at 7:14 this document was perfect, and then something happened that you don't like. So you can actually go back to that point there. I just click on it, restore to this version, click on that, and it will take you back there. So it's like having an unlimited undo feature on your computer. One that is extremely useful, particularly if you've got multiple people working on a document. It will also show you what edits were made. So on this day there were 2 edits made. At this stage there were 2 different edits, so you can actually see what the different edits were. If you've got more than one person on this document, it will actually show them as a different color. So mine's coming up the sort of greeny blue color, the aquary color. It might have another person as red, another person as green and orange and whatever else. So you can differentiate between who did what and when. So if someone says, yeah, I was working on the document last night, particularly if it's a student of yours or a colleague, you can actually see if they're telling the truth or not. Hopefully you can believe them in the first place. To get back out of revision history, we simply go across here and click on the back, and we're back in our document as normal. So a very handy feature. I hope you get to use it sometimes.